Man edition. Let's do this. Staffan Schmidt, bird catcher, professional. That's huge.
Yeah, that's the size for it.
These are large birds again. They look dangerous. Like, I'm glad I'm wearing glasses. I've seen it once, but it's been a long time.
Oh, okay.
Don't put all the poo on the floor.
No,
I hear it.
Do you do it
I hear
with
it.
bare hands?
I hear it clawing around. This is taking a while. I thought this was gonna be a quick operation. I'm getting kind of bored.
You can cut this.
yeah, I need to
Edit it.
go to iMovie and
Yeah. Add in some dramatic stuff like explosions.
interviews and stuff.
Yeah.
Ah,
Come out, wherever you are. There it is! Get him! Get him! Let's get a shot of him.
Ah, he's biting me!
Well, stop. Make him stop it.
Dang bird.
gosh.
Here, give him to Emma.
I can do it myself.
Let's see it. Let's see. There he is. Beast. Fly away. What if he just threw it out? What if he threw it out the window and
There is another one here.
you hear him? Oh man, that's the thing about like being. Did you find him?
Yeah, you see, he's in there.
Oh, I see his eyes. I see his little devil eyes. Little demon bird eyes.
You're gonna beat the demons out of me?
I've been drinking green tea all daggum day. Go to church every daggum Sunday. About to bring the demons out of me. Where's it at? Dude, just manhandle it, Rambo style. Catch it with your bare hands again.
Oh, he's stuck.
Get him. Go in for the kill. Go in for the kill. Squawk, 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 squawk.
Bro,
Crazy.
ready for freedom? First time in freedom?
Never come back again.
Play dead.
Staffan Schmidt, master bird hunter. Tell me what goes through your mind in the moment of the kill.
I don't know how to heck close that thing. That's all I'm thinking about.
That's what you think about?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
You know, I live for this. This is what I do, you know. I can't get my mind away from this until it's done. So
What pumps through your veins when you're chasing down a bird?
it's just to see this bird.
So just like raw hate.
Yeah, it's like a burning passion to longing to see them.
That's what we should do with the next one that comes in. Forget throwing it out the window.
Yeah.
We'll crucify it and put it up on the roof as an
We'll just
example.
make an example for all the
right,
other
exactly.
ones.
Exactly.
The Romans were onto something with this crucifixion thing.